Let's take a look in this tutorial video at how we can process a class booking. From the homepage of the iOS app on your iPhone or iPad, to process a class booking, we need to always use the Book a Lesson option. We can click on Book a Lesson, and we're then going to be presented with our program filters that have been set up by our Academy Manager. And classes will be made clear based on the description that sits below the icon. So we're going to go ahead and book a place on a class that exists within our Adult Academy a demo venue program filter. At step 2, we'll be presented with the sub-filters that exist within this group class program filter. Let's go ahead and select Beginner, as the class we want to add the student to exists within the Beginner sub-filter. At step 3, we're now going to be presented with an option to scroll through the months of our calendar to find the appropriate class, or we'll see the classes that are taking place within that month in a list view. So here we can see that we've got 3 classes that are occurring in June, and each class is running for 1 day. We can see that identified there in the column, and we can also see information relating to the class description, the start date, and the duration that it's running for. So we can go ahead and select the class by clicking on the radio icon. And it's at this stage that the booking system follows a slightly different flow than the one-to-one lesson options, in that you and also the customer can process bookings for multiple classes in one booking system checkout process. So in this example, we want to add a customer to the class taking place on Wednesday the 8th of July, but we also want to add them to another class in the same booking process. So we can now use the Continue Browsing option. And it's here where we can go to the Book a Lesson option at the bottom. And we can once again select the program filter. And we can find the new class that we want to add that customer to. So let's go ahead and also add them to the 15th of July. And we can now see that we've got 2 classes added in the list view. So let's go ahead and click Checkout, as we want to add the customer to both of these classes. And once we've confirmed that we're happy with the details, we're going to go ahead and select the player. And after we've selected the player, we can then go ahead and select the payment option, which in this option is Pay at Academy. And we're going to go ahead to confirm the booking and click Submit. The customer will then be added to those classes once that we see the order confirmation, and we can go ahead and click Close now, and it will take us back to the home page of the booking system. If we wish, we can go ahead and find those classes by navigating to the calendar view, and we can find the relevant class. Let's navigate to 2 p.m. and we can go ahead and click Go to Lesson, and we can choose the class attendees option, and we can see there that we've got demo student added to one of the classes that we added that student to.